Hi, Rana here from Technical SEO Team Parliament. Today we will find the bad backlinks, and we will remove these from Google Search Console using the Discover tool. In my case, I am on Ahrefs using Site Explorer. Here I will my website, parliament.com. Press the enter and go to the backlinks. Here I will find the backlinks less than 5 dr. Here you can find. Okay, you can see these are the websites that's considering as a low quality websites. This has low DR, low URL rating, and the page traffic is also 0 or 1.1 or 8. So I will prefer to remove these websites, also the irrelevant websites. So I will export this list and use on my Google Search Console. Here, so on Google Search Console, find the Discover tool. Its URL is google.com/webmastertools/tool/Discover links main. You can find this by Discover tool. So here it is. Select the property. For example, I am selecting this one. So it's the sample file. Okay. Okay, here it is. You can disavow the URLs. You have to make a document in notepad or text document in this format if you want to disavow the complete domain. Then just type domain colon and the domain name, and if you want to take down only specific backlink, only one URL or two URL from a website, then just type these URLs without any specific instruction. Only for the complete domain you have to instruct the domain colon and the domain name. So here you can upload this list. So the Google will remove these backlinks from your website. So by removing the bad backlinks, your website ranking will improve. So it's a simple method. Tap the like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you.